Day 2 in Barcelona. Streets of Barcelona. I love this town. Let's fly here a drone. I have new love for my drone. Flipping heck. So that's the hostel, one family, and we went for a walk. We had a picnic. Flipping heck, there's such a vibe in this town. I'm falling in love with this place. So every day the hostel that I'm in has like activity, picnic, dinner together, something, just go for a walk. Wow, professional camera, shoot. Do I need to say more things? This view. Sun, the people, the weather, the hostel. Oh my god. I mean, yeah, beautiful beach. Beautiful. What's going on? I mean, this guy is doing this. Enough, boys. Go back to workout. This gym. Yep, Barcelona. I feel safe so far in Barcelona. That's the place where I want to live, I think. But somehow we need to figure out how to make money, okay? Subscribe. Welcome to La Rambla, most busy street in Barcelona. Wow. Famous food market. Yeah. Lidl as always today. Mozzarella, banana, and this protein yogurt. I want to buy them so bad, but no. Let's build a good habit. Compound effect, you know this now. That's the hostel playing games, beer pong. Entire hostel walks to the different club. I love it. That was Sutton, I think, club. Very interesting. Now I'm gonna go to hostel, edit and sleep. Tomorrow Barcelona, and a day after day at 5 a.m. Porto. See you tomorrow. Yo, 3:25 a.m. I know it's early for me to go back from a club, and back to my favorite hostel.